Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn how to find the matrix of cofactors of a given matrix. So first of all, we will write the formula to find the cofactor of an element. So suppose we need to find the cofactor of ith row and jth column element. Then what we need to do? We will use this formula, that is minus 1 to the power I plus j and minor of ith row and jth column. So this is the cofactor, and if we will find the cofactor of each element of a given matrix, then that matrix is known as cofactor matrix. So suppose there is a matrix that is A11, A12, A21 and A22. So this is a 2 cross 2 matrix, and cofactor is only defined for a square matrix. So here this is a square matrix, and let's suppose its name is A. So to find the cofactor matrix of A, we have to find the cofactor of each element. So we will represent the cofactor of first element, that is A11, as C11, second element as C12, C21 and C22, and this whole matrix is known as the matrix of cofactors. So to find the value of C11, what we need to do? We need to use the above given formula, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 and minor of 1 comma 1. To find the value of C12, we will just use the formula minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 multiply by M12. To find the cofactor of second row and first column element, we will use the formula of C to the power minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 multiply by M21, and for the last element, that is second row and second column, then we will use the formula of minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 multiply by minor of that element. So this is how, if the matrix is of the third order, then similarly we have to find the cofactor of another elements which are remaining. So let's suppose there is a matrix that is minus 1, 3, 2 and 4. So this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So to find the cofactor matrix, what we need to do? We need to find the cofactor element based on each element. So C11 means we have to find the cofactor of this element. So we have to remove this row and this column. Basically we need to do minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 multiply by M11, means minor. So minus 1 to the power 2, it will become positive. So we can write this as M11. So basically we can write here M11, this will become minus M12, this will become minus of M21 and this will become M22. So M11 can be obtained by just removing this row and this column, and this value is 4. So value of M11 is 4. So for C12, it will become minus of M12, and we can write this as minus of, so remove first row and second column, so it will become 2. So we can write this as minus 2. So for second row and first element, we have to find the cofactor, then we can write this as minus of M21, and M21 means second row and first column will be removed, and the determinant of the remaining matrix is M21. So its value is 3, and we have to apply minus sign before it, and C22 is M22, and M22 is, we have to remove the second row and second column, so the remaining element is minus 1. So to find the matrix of cofactors of the given matrix A is, so we can write this as C11 is 4, C12 is minus 2, and this will become minus 3, and this will become minus 1. So this is the answer for matrix of cofactors of given matrix. Similarly, we can find the cofactor matrix of a 3 cross 3 matrix. So first of all, write a matrix that is 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, and just write as 3, -2 and 4. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, means it is a square matrix. So we can find the cofactor matrix. So we have to find the cofactor related to each element. So we can write this as C11 is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, and it is M11. So we can write this as M11. So for C12 this will become minus of M12. For 13 this will become M of 13. So C21 this will become minus of M21. C22 this will become M of 22, minor of second row and second column. For C23 this will become minus of M23. Now C31 this will become minor of 31. C32 it will become minus of M32, and C33 it will become plus of M33. So now we will find the minor. So M11 we can find. So remove first row and first column and find the determinant of remaining matrix. So it will become 1 0 minus 2 and 4. So we can write this as 4 minus 0, so it is 4. For M12 remove the first row and second column. So the matrix remaining will be 2 0 3 4. So if you will multiply, so it will become 8. Now M13, so remove the first row and third column. So the remaining matrix is 2 1 3 minus 2, and we have to find the determinant. So it will become minus 4 minus 3, it will become minus 7. Now M21, so M21 means remove the second row and first column. So what we will get? We will get 2 minus 2 minus 1 and 4. So it will become 8 minus 2, so it will become 6. Again M22, so M22 is remove the second row and second column. So the remaining matrix is 1 3 minus 1 4. So the value will be 4 of minus 3, so it will become 7. Similarly M23, so we will remove the second row and third column, and the remaining matrix is 1 3 2 and minus 2. So if we will find the determinant, so minus 2 minus 6, this will become minus 8. And here what we can write as 3 1. So we have to remove the third row and first column, and the remaining matrix is 2 1 minus 1 and 0. So it will become 0 minus of minus 1, so it will become 1. So here what we will find M32. So M32 is remove the third row and second column. So what we will get? We will get 1 2 minus 1 0, and if we will find the determinant, so it will become 0 of minus 2, so it will become 2. This will become M33. So we have to remove the third row and third column. So it will become 1 2 2 1, and it will become 1 minus 4, it will become minus 3. So we have just find out the minor of each element, and if we will just replace it in the value of C11, so M11 value is 4, C12 is minus of, so it will become minus 8, it will become M13 minus 7, it will become minus 6, it will become minus of M21. So M22 is 7, so it will become 7, M23 minus 8, it will become 8, it will become 1, it will become minus 2, it will become minus 3. So if we will write the matrix of cofactors of, so we can write this as, this is 4 minus 8, this is minus 7, this is minus 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. So this is the final answer for the matrix of cofactors of matrix A. I have also made a calculator to find the matrix of cofactors of any matrix of any size, but it should be a square matrix. So you can check the value and match the answer whether our calculator is giving the correct answer or not, and it also displays the step-by-step solution, and I will provide the link of that calculator in the description below. So please share it with your friends so that they can also use it. So if you want to ask any other doubt, then you can mention your doubt in the comment box below. Thank you very much. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website. That is, link is given below in the description. And you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.